Guys, Humble Brag or Fenrox or whatever the hell my name is here. I posted my Elsa video where I showed off a little bit of her amazing stats. This is a team where she gets no bonuses too. Look at that. Look at those stats. Her dodge is pretty terrible, but because I fully awakened her ISOs, I got the 40% Hokusai, and then I got my cards. Right. That I really like. I have two 6 stars here. 6 stars seem to be the worst cards. Just a little aside here. I've gotten 2 cards to 6 now, and each time it was a mistake. Like, they were just clearly going to be flat rates. That we're going to have a lot of things like poison resist and crowd control time, which you're not going to care about. And then these 4 stars, I keep consistently getting abilities on. And, yeah. I had another card here, the Punisher card, and that is just the worst card because it always seems to get plus HP, which is just a completely useless buff. Just the worst. Because, like, what are you going to do with 20% max HP? Like, you need to heal up now, and then it's gone. Alright, but I got some cooldown time, I got some energy attack, some all attack. So I guess the trick here, if you want to have some really OP cards, you don't want to buy anything and you are starting from scratch, your best bet is to grow some 3-star cards by just, you know, upgrading the best you can. And so it basically takes 11 other comics, each tier 2 comic taking 6 more comics to get 1 3-star. So if you run rifts and you run the lowest energy rift and you just get a bunch of 1 and 2 stars, I think you have to get the second rift to get 2-star comic covers to also drop. Over time, over a couple rifts, you're going to get a bunch of 3 stars. And 3 stars, I would slot, and then I would work on building 4 stars in your inventory, because these things change so much that you don't want them to be slotted and change. That's how I stayed with a Punisher forever. But once you get to 4-star, you're good, because 4-star you're going to get the meat of your abilities. Taking them to 6 just gives them more kind of crap. You know, maybe you'll luck out and you'll get, you know, 6 awesome stats on a card, but then you got to get 5 of those cards to get a real strong OP, like 32% attack, or, you know, some sort of stat. You're gonna have to stack them. So, but you can stack 4 stars. You don't need higher than 4-star, especially if you pair the abilities you want down, like Loki, Marvel Zombies, even 1872. Like, these have a lot of the abilities that I want. So you can get a really good stat spread by just focusing on 4 stars. So, little card tip. All right, so let's do some Elsa stuff. Gotta get my Bow's Blade. I'm out of unfarmable people to farm, with the exception of the 3 new. So now I just want to build up Elsa's team, and she has a couple of good options with Blade. So I gotta get Blade up there. Even though he's farmable, I don't have the energy to spend on his things anyway, because I'm using them on rifts. And I have a couple other people that got to 6 that have not leveled because I've just been focusing on rifts. Rifts all day. So let's do everybody's confusing favorite, 10-8 on auto for some goddamn reason. There are so many heroes that can run 10-8. And, like, the cards and things like that, there's just no point. Everyone can run 10-8. But here you go. And it's her with no bonuses. Which is still quite OP. Hey, adventure. Nice. Sorry, I'm smoking out my window. It's cold. I just woke up. Saw that everybody was commenting on my Elsa stat vid that they wanted some gameplay. You know, the problem with this video is that I have to be actually, like, good at Elsa to show her off. You know, she's still squishy, so she's still gonna die. So you're gonna see how kind of lazy I am at the game, then I'm just gonna let her die a couple times. This is a full auto video, so if she dies, you know, I guess whatever, but she's not. Especially with Lincoln with her, because Lincoln's the best. I would like to see them fuck. Yep. Although not that actor guy that plays Lincoln. He kind of sucks. I don't know. He spent so much of that season, like, scruffy. He just really looks like some sort of weird, homeless, like, I don't know, cafe worker. Elsa, though, I don't think has ever been live action played by anybody. Who would do it? Who's a gingery leading lady? Juliana Moore. Juliana Moore and Bradley Cooper. Well, she can do it, because, you know, it's not very challenging. That laser just eats everyone, including Marina. Hey, a Loki rift. Okay, so we did that. Let's, I mean, I don't think anybody wants to see her do a daily mission. Those are pretty freaking easy. Now, somebody wanted to see if she could do 10-8 Yellow Jacket. Or she can one-shot him. I doubt she can. But I guess we'll try that. Mostly because I hate Yellow Jacket a lot. He moves around way too much, and, like, about 45 seconds into the fight's pretty much lost because there's too much gobbledygook on the screen, and it's just so hard to target him. I guess we'll go Quake and try to exploit that little thingy. Oh. And then I guess Angela? Yeah? Let's take it a little bonus. Oh, wait, no. Quake, Nebula and Elsa are a team bonus, I'm pretty sure. Fuck. I do not expect to do this. Maybe I'll get, like, get him to, like, 40% or something. Alright. Cool. Alright. Oh yeah, there's healing in this mode. I guess I certainly could stay alive forever if I wanted to. Okay, got the bonus. Oh, no. So, I mean, you still get, yeah, definitely get real strong. Ah, see? Like, you try to target him, but he just refuses to be targeted. And there's all sorts of other bullshit on this fucking frame. I would like to see Elsa and the actor that played Yellow Jacket do it, too. I always forget that guy's name, but he is... he's exactly my type. Yeah. See, I just don't have the discipline to constantly be switching in and out for this ability and other things. Oh, I just totally biffed it. Got Walloped to the train. Okay, well, I guess I answered that guy's question now. There's no way that she's one-shotting this. I'm pretty sure I have more bang for your punch fully upgraded. Yeah, I'm sure Sharon Carter just kiting them all together would probably be a little bit better. Alright, so 42%. Yeah. Probably my fault though. Somebody else probably could have very easily finished that whole thing in that one team. You know, this is the thing. I just mentioned this in a comment on Reddit to someone that had a whole full roster similar to me, because like these guys are pretty strong. You know, like there's nobody like just completely forgotten about at 5 years or anything. The problem is me, you know, like, I mean, I guess all of these people have to be at 15 to really, like, make some difference, but I'm the one that's, like, just kind of too lazy to really get a lot out of it. I don't swap properly. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is that thing people were talking about, that some of the ISOs are just, like, disappearing. That's messed up. I don't think any of my other dudes lost them. His were pretty crappy, but like, that's a nightmare scenario. If I log in and Elsa's just missing an awakened ISO, and like, what do you even do there? Like, contact support and have them ignore you? Yeah. I really enjoyed this game, and I don't think it deserves all the hate it's getting, but it definitely has issues, and I feel like maybe if people weren't so quick to bash it, we could twist the narrative of the conversation into a more like, okay, fix this, fix all of this, fix it now. We're all playing, we're being patient. Please fix it right now. But who knows? Okay, so this is my leveling team. Let's put back, got Groot up because he's so needed for these fights, I'm pretty sure. I like her a lot. Okay, get some timeline in there. I'm thinking this team. Oh, I can do some Battle World because... Oh, whoa. Stronger than me. I can do some Battle World because I got 40 participation. On my 37th win last night, I freaking died and lost all of my extra points, which sucks. But I only wanted those 4 5-star ISO anyway. I didn't want to go further and get less 6 stars. Yep. Ugh. I really hate Hulkbusters. Like, your ability can go through that now, which is nice, but Hulkbuster can still just freaking kill you in that time. I mean, I guess, I don't know if it's unfortunate that Elsa's fully awakened ISO, you know, pure stats person can't also just sort of like survive everything. You know, it makes sense that a Hulkbuster, especially a geared Hulkbuster, would kill her. There's the type difference and just general locking her down and blasting. But it's annoying because, you know, you want your strong people to be strong. That was the thing that I noticed the most about the expanded VS battle. Like, you know, at the time I think I had She-Hulk as my main in the terms of just like I brought her up as far as possible, Spider-Gwen, I think, got, like, full 6-star ISOs. But, like, bro, She-Hulk to 20 gears. That's so hard. And, like, she was doing so much damage and everything. And she was so fun to play. And then you play the VS stages, and she's doing, like, 1,000 a hit. Because he's that strong. And it's just... It kills it. It kills your, like, interest in that person. You want to just find that old ratio that you were enjoying on someone else then. And I pretty much have dropped She-Hulk. There's just a lot more fun people I have now that I enjoy playing, so that's why I'm not playing her. But, like, in this latest Battle World, I have her, and she's still really great. Second Elsa dies, She-Hulk comes out and finishes the job. Woo! That Hulk. You never see, like, a Maestro Hulk actually do damage anymore, too. Because people got the much better World War Hulk skin. Elsa would have died, in case anyone's wondering. Like, we don't need to answer that question. She was dead. Yeah, this is more what I was talking about, though, where I'm just kind of like a bad player at the game. Because, I could have just swapped Elsa out a million years ago. Ugh. Same thing with this. I mean, I'm going to put Elsa against Hulkbuster. It's not going to work out well. And then she's going to be dead for Loki, because I'd much rather have her kill Loki. But whatevs. Oh, never mind. That was not a fully geared Hulkbuster. The difference is pretty obvious to spot. I don't get one shot. Ooh, freezed you, Loki. Yeah, the speed is a little different in Elsa's kit now, and because of that, it's now really easy to cut off your 6-star if you're on auto. I guess I just need to take her off of auto. Lincoln, when I was playing Lincoln before, I used to never play on auto, and then I started because Lincoln has this weird delay when he's fighting. If he's not on auto, he doesn't, like, gracefully go into his moves. So I need to kind of take it off again. Because I'm losing too many 6-stars. 6-star abilities. Ugh. Her little gun whack, though, is great now. It comes back so fast because of all the cooldown, and it's perfect CC now. It used to be that she would hit people and they wouldn't quite get hit. You know what I'm talking about, where she would, or it wouldn't CC them. It would knock them, but it wouldn't knock them up. It now always seems to knock everyone up, which is nice. So she actually has some solid CC that you can rely on. And then I gave her a stun, a little freeze, which is so troll. I cannot wait for, like, PvP. People are just gonna freaking hate her. Oh, sweet. Speed day. Nice, okay. My Sharon is really low, so I don't want to make her lead. Let's just do Elsa lead. Elsa lead, Spider-Gwen, and Hawkeye. Oh, Ant-Man would have been better. Or maybe. I guess I haven't seen Hawkeye's ult used in battle, or Alliance battle at all. Disclaimer, as much as I'm bad at other parts of the game, I hate Alliance battle, so I am not going to make this... I'm going to get to, like, 70,000 points and just dip, because this mode is so annoying. I hate it so much. I apologize to my Alliance all the time, because I'm like, yeah, I just don't You know, I'll get the scores, but I'm not gonna, like, try. Because you gotta do it still. And it gets your alliance some cool stuff. And the you know, the bios that you get are nice. If you just have the, if you're the patient person that will actually get to those bios, then, you know, Alliance Battle is very worth it. But if you are a lazy bitch like me, you would rather just not do it. I'm out of money. That's the real problem. I have been doing nothing but riffs. Everybody else's riffs, hot time event riffs, playing mine and holding a rift until a hot time event. Yeah, pure rift all the time. And I'm running them almost on manual too, because I gotta break everything, because sometimes rifts have comic pieces inside of their garbage. And oh, those covers, like, you just need so many pieces. They gotta change rifts to be more like the daily missions, where you kind of get a little glut of the cheaper resource. Because, like, if you got the equivalent of a daily mission in a rift every time, that wouldn't be very game breaking. I mean, I guess take the 3-star cards out, or maybe not. Maybe even give them still kind of the same, because you don't. You sometimes you luck out and get like 5 3-star ISOs from a daily, but from the most part, it's just the chaff, whatever. And cards are all about that. Like, all about that. That is not in any way going to be like game breaking or take money away from anybody, because you need 50 billion 1-star cards to get a 4-star. So, and then 4-stars are not that, like, great. Like, you would still then need, you know, 50 million 4-stars to get that to a 6-star. So, like, oh, here she goes. So there's really not, like, much danger of giving everybody a lot more cards. Ooh, jeez, she's already dead. Yeah. So Elsa, without, like, swapping and being an intelligent player, gets you about 50,000, 60,000 points. Oh, Hawkeye. You have no iframes. Yeah, this is my average score. I don't try to get more than this. Alright. I like how this video is so much of me droning on, too. I gotta get, like, a sound system with speakers and things like that. Make you guys listen to some, some stupid crap. Play some Azealia Blanks. Kind of want, like, a strong matching here, you know? 41 Loki is not gonna do it. There we go. Ah, perfect. Sure, these could be, like, not leveled, but I'm gonna just assume they are. I wonder if I had the most HP. Nope. Ooh, they might be very leveled. Well, I think he lagged out a little bit, so I think I got the top spot. Yep, Elsa. Alright, I guess let's do some Battle Worlds. I got like 4 or 5 minutes left, so I'll do Battle World, but I'm gonna go straight over to World Boss, even though it's Proxima and I don't know how to do it yet. Let's just see how she does. Oh, damn it. Oh yeah. I'm off auto. And I just swapped people. Okay, there we go. Well, not a very good video. Yeah. This is that lag that I was talking about. I can't seem to do Battle World without that's major lag. It's weird auto lag too, because like you just you go on manual for your abilities and there's just something off where you can't chain them together as effectively, as fluidly. There's these little delays, and in those little delays you're just gonna get CC'd. So it's best to just sort of leave it on auto and still use your abilities, but you just sort of pick them. And now with Elsa having so much attack speed and her abilities having such a low cooldown and 35% off of her freaking uniform, her 6-star comes back so fast that you hit it and then you accidentally hit something else, and it's no bueno. So is this just a really strong Hulkbuster, or is Hulkbuster way stronger in Battle World? No! Yeah! Took too long to scream. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, she's still squishy. She still dies. Okay, let's do that world boss. I wonder if this is a terrible video. I mean, kind of not doing any of the things I said I would do. Or, I don't know, they're not like exciting, like I'm losing all these fights that I'm showing you. You know, let's try Rocket and Groot. She seems pretty vanilla. I honestly just might go physical attack and some dodge. It looks like there's a 3-spray spear attack of hers that you want to dodge because it locks you pretty easily in place. And there's all sorts of gobbledygook around the screen. I just got my Thrut up, so I'm not too good at the whole dodge around, get out Thrut, make his little circle, get your dude in, if your dude doesn't have, whatever it's called, recovery, then they're not gonna, like, get a ton of effectiveness out of this. Seems to be beating her up pretty well, though. Oop, 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 oop. Yeah, that's the attack that, like, really... Ah. Oh, no. Oh, I see. Okay, so they all come back. Uh-huh. Still knocked. Ah. Yeah, he is way too weak to do anything about anything. Oh, lightning immune, though. Ha ha ha. I wonder if she's lightning immune. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so they all come back. So you gotta, like, dodge out on that second CC. Am I in both circles? I don't think I am. Oh wait, no, I was, because I'm full health again. Okay, here they all come back.